My name is Jamie McDonald. I am an attorney with McDonald Law Offices. Our firm represents individuals in consumer bankruptcy cases throughout the entire state of Arizona. Today I'm going to discuss stopping lawsuits and garnishments. After a creditor has unsuccessfully attempted to collect from you by making those annoying calls and sending the repeated demand letters, they will eventually give up and decide to file a lawsuit against you. If a lawsuit is filed, the court will issue a summons. The creditor will then serve you with the summons and complaint. Once you are served, the time clock begins running. You will have 20 days to file an answer to that suit. If you fail to file an answer, the creditor will file an application for default. Once that is filed, approximately 10 days later, the court will enter a default judgment against you. Once the judgment is entered against you, the creditor has a number of options. If you are employed, they may serve your employer. If the creditor serves your employer will then begin withholding 25% of your net pay to send to that creditor to satisfy the judgment, and that is each pay period. If you file a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy prior to the time the creditor obtains that judgment, they will not obtain the judgment. The automatic stay of the bankruptcy will stop that proceeding against you. If you file either a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy after the creditor already has the judgment and is even garnishing your wages, once that bankruptcy petition is filed, the garnishment will stop at that point. A garnishment is not the only option the creditor has. The creditor may serve your bank with the paperwork, and your bank will then freeze your bank account, take the non-exempt portion of your deposits, and send them to the creditor in satisfaction of that judgment. The creditor may also have you served with an order to appear at what is called a debtor's examination. If you are served with such an order and have not filed bankruptcy, you must appear at the examination. And the purpose of the examination is to appear and provide the court with evidence of all your assets. The court can then enter an order determining what is exempt and what is non-exempt. Non-exempt means it's not protected by law, and the creditor will then be allowed to take those assets from you, liquidate them to apply to the judgment debt. If you are served with an order, you must attend. If you fail to attend, the court can enter a bench warrant for your arrest. If you are then subsequently pulled over, for example, for a traffic violation, you could be arrested at that time. If you file a bankruptcy, you do not need to worry about all this. The bankruptcy will stop those proceedings against you. If you have any questions regarding stopping a lawsuit or judgment or garnishment, please give McDonald Law Offices a call at 480-968-3100.